Hey, this is Abe with You Learning Math, and today we're going to talk about my favorite tool for remote learning called Edpuzzle. It can be found at edpuzzle.com. If you're going to be under 20 videos, it's absolutely free for a basic plan. $6.50 a month. It is definitely worth a coffee at Starbucks. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at Edpuzzle. All right. So this is the home screen, edpuzzle.com. Make your free account. If you want to import your class from Google Classroom, you go to My Classes, add a new class, and Google Classroom. There it is. If you make your own video, let's say you want to create practice, 10 problems for your students. If they get it wrong, they can watch you and listen to you do it right, or they could click on the next problem and just move forward. All right. So I also record my lessons and I put them right here on Google Classroom as well. Excuse me, on Edpuzzle as well. So let's go ahead and make a lesson. Let's say, I don't know, what are you teaching? Let's say I already searched those two. Let me search something I've never searched before. The War of 1812. No idea why that popped into my head. There it is. So there are things that you can copy. So over here, you just take a look at it, see if you like it. And if you like it, as you can see, there are questions already embedded. You hit play, there's instruction, there's questions. All right, all you have to do is go ahead and click on assign, and it's yours right away. Okay, click on your class, click on assign. They know right away. You could prevent skipping and force your students to watch all of it. Okay, you could turn on closed captions if you have anybody that's impaired hearing wise. All right. Or you can make your own stuff. You can make your own stuff. You can search for it. Or what's even better is you could find any video you want. You could go on, let's say, Khan Academy, order of operations. Let's say you're doing that. All right. There's no questions here, so we have to make a copy of it. All right. So now we want to watch that. So now we want to edit it. Click on edit. You could put a voiceover. You could put your own voice there. You could add questions wherever you want. So you could watch this video and say, you know what? Let's see if they could do it themselves. You could go to a question. You could add a multiple choice question, open-ended question. This is just absolutely the best remote learning tool out there for any subject. If you don't know about Edpuzzle, make a free account. Either use somebody else's material, use your own material, add questions, assign it. The kids don't know what they're doing. They could watch and hear you do it. If they do know what they're doing, they could just move right on. Import your Google Classroom. This is the best tool. Check it out. I hope this helps.